Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making easy lasagna, the no boil method. Now I have to tell you, I haven't made homemade lasagna in over 30 years. I usually just buy the frozen stuff, but I decided, you know what? Today's the day. What all goes into the easy lasagna? 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small yellow onion diced. All I had was a white onion, so that's what I'm using. 4 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms, finely diced. 1/2 pound mild Italian sausage. This is a pound, so I'll only be using half of that. 1/2 pound of ground beef, 85/15. I'm just going to be using my zebra, and I think it's a little bit more than a half a pound. 24 ounces of marinara sauce, and I absolutely love Newman's Own. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. 1 tablespoon packed brown sugar. Hint of nutmeg. 1½ teaspoons salt divided. 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper divided. 2 cups of whole milk ricotta cheese. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup fresh basil chopped, and more for serving. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and this is optional. 8 ounces of oven-ready lasagna. This is 9 ounces. And if you don't have this, but you don't want to boil it, while you're getting everything ready, take a baking sheet with some water in it and lay your lasagna pieces in the water and let them soak while you're making your other stuff, and then you shouldn't have to boil it. I don't know if that works. I just seen that the other day. 2 cups mozzarella cheese, and I think that's it. Isn't that enough? Preheat the oven to 375. Take a 9x13 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And set aside. So take a large saucepan. My large saucepan is in the refrigerator with leftovers, so I have a large skillet. I hope that works. I just poured 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm heating that up on medium heat. So take your 1 small diced yellow onion, mine is white, pour that into your saucepan, and your 4 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms, and put your 1/2 pound of mild Italian sausage and your 1/2 pound of ground beef, 85/15. I have a 1/2 pound of zebra. Cook that, brown the meat, break up the pieces, and cook until everything is browned. After it's all brown, drain it if you need to, and I really don't need to drain it. Surprisingly, the sausage isn't greasy, and of course the zebra is very lean. Dump in your 24 ounces of your marinara sauce. Dump in your 8 ounces of tomato sauce, your 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, your 1 teaspoon of salt, and that's divided. Use 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and give that a stir. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Heat that until slightly thickened. Take a medium bowl. Take the 2 cups of ricotta, the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, the 1/4 cup of chopped basil, the 1 large egg, the lemon zest from 1 lemon, the 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. and mix that until thoroughly combined. And nice and smooth. Take your prepared 9 by 13 pan, put in 1/3 of the sauce in the bottom of the pan. Then put half of the noodles and again, these are no boil noodles. And actually, I don't know, probably won't take half of these because they're kind of big sheets. So we're supposed to break them in half to fit the pan, or break them in pieces. They don't break very easily. One thing nice about cooked noodles is that they bend a little bit. Then take half of your cheese mixture and spread it over the noodles. Looks good. Spreading is another thing, however. Of course, it'd spread easier if they were full pieces. I don't know. Maybe next time I'll boil the noodles. So next, sprinkle with 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, which is half. Might have did more than half, but I've got another bag if I need to. Then spread another 1/3 of the sauce on top of that. I think now I know why I haven't made this in a long time. It's going to taste better than frozen, but it's a big process. Then take the rest of your noodles. Maybe I'll go this way this time, huh? I think that actually might work better. These sure don't break very well. Then we'll take our last of the ricotta cheese mix and spread that on top of the noodles, and spread that over the noodles the best you can. I just love the cheese in lasagna. Best cheese for any pasta dish, I think. Looking good so far, right? Then take the last 1/3 of the sauce and put over the ricotta cheese and spread that out. And then take the last cup of mozzarella cheese and put it over the meat mixture. Then take foil and cover up your lasagna. And put it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 35 minutes. Remove the foil and put it back in the oven until cheese is all melted and lightly brown. Let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you cut it. Here is the easy, no-boil method lasagna with zebra meat, and rounding out the meal is garlic knots. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That looks like a lot of layers of goodness. Is this what I'm testing?
Yes.
I was hoping. I mean, these look cutesy too, but this is what I was hoping for. This is good.
That is easy lasagna with the no boil method, and it has sausage and zebra in it.
It is really good. I'm going to enjoy my lunch tomorrow.
Recipe deals for Easy Meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.